Hello dear students, myself Vinayak Kulkarni. I am going to teach you how to do vector multiplications. We can multiply the vectors in two methods. One is called dot product and the other one is called vector product. So today we are going to study what is the dot product and how we are going to do multiplication of these vectors. So let's see. Dot product of two vectors. This is also called scalar product. Scalar product. It is also called as scalar product. So let us consider if A is one vector and B is another vector. If we want to make multiplication of these two vectors with this dot product, then its definition is, by definition, vector A dot vector B is equal to magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B into cos theta. So this theta, it is angle between vector A and vector B. If suppose let us say this is vector A, then this is vector B, then angle made by these two vectors, it is theta. Therefore, by definition, if we are doing dot product of these two vectors, then this is the formula. Vector A dot B is equal to mod A mod B, means magnitude of A, magnitude of B into cos theta, where theta is angle between these two vectors. Okay. So by numerical, if A, vector A is given by A1 I cap plus B1 j cap plus C1 k cap, where I, j, k, these are unit vectors, A1, B1, C1 are magnitude. Then vector B is given by A2 I cap plus B2 j cap plus C2 k cap. This is expansion of these vectors, or we are representing this vector A in the form of unit vectors I, j, k. These vectors are nothing but, it may be force, it may be velocity, it may be acceleration, whatever, but we are denoting them in the form of like mathematical expressions. Now if we want to do multiplication of these two with the help of this dot product formula A dot B, then we can write vector A dot vector B is equal to, see here, if vector A dot B we are doing directly, we can write I dot I is 1 and A1 and A2. So A1 into A2 plus J dot J is 1 B1 into B2 plus K dot K is 1 C1 into C2. So C1 into C2. This is another formula for doing dot product if they have given numerical values. So for example, let us say if vector A is given by, say, some random values, say 2i plus 3j plus 1k, and vector B is equal to 1i plus 1j plus 2k. These two are vectors now, and if we are doing its dot product, that is A dot B is equal to, directly we have to multiply only magnitudes of the same unit vectors I and I. Its magnitude here is 2, here is 1, therefore 2 into 1 is 2 plus here 3 into 1 is 3 plus here 1 into 2 is 2. Therefore its total value 2 plus 3 plus 2, that is 7. Therefore A dot B is 7. Now we have to observe here, A is vector, B is vector, but we are getting 7. 7 is a scalar. Therefore we call it as also a scalar product. For example, in physics we have seen force is a vector, it is denoted by sometimes say F. Then displacement is vector, it is denoted by S. Then if you multiply force and displacement, force is multiplied by displacement, it is called force into displacement is nothing but work done. Force into displacement is work done. Therefore, force is vector, displacement is vector, but work done whatever we are getting, it is a scalar. Therefore, it is also called a scalar product. So, here we have to remember these two formulae. A dot B is magnitude of A, magnitude of B cos theta, and A dot B in the numerical, if they have given in this format, then we have to use this formula A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. Okay. Now, we will see some problems. Okay. In this they have given problem like this: if vector A is 2i plus 3j plus 4k and B is I minus 2j plus 2k, find vector or dot product of these two vectors. So, it is a very simple. A is here, B is here. So, I will write once again: A is 2i plus 3j plus 4k and vector B is I minus 2j plus 2k. Then if we want A dot B, then we know that similar unit vectors and their magnitudes. So, here I and I, its magnitude here nothing is there, it means it is a 1, 2 into 1, that is 2 into 1 plus here 3, here minus 2, then it is 3 into minus 2 plus here 4, here 2, then it is 4 into 2. Therefore, it will be 2 minus into plus or plus into minus, that is minus 3 to the 6, 4 into 2 it is 8 plus 8. So, if you do this 8 plus 2 10, 10 minus 6 is 4. Therefore, we can say dot product of these two vector is 4. Okay. So, now with similar kind, sometimes they will ask some different with some twist like here. Here A is perpendicular to vector B, then find out y. They have given here hint that is perpendicular. So, we have to understand, in last formula we have written vector A dot B is equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. This is formula, and we know one more formula, that is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 for same process. Here what we have to understand, when they say perpendicular, vector A and vector B, these two are perpendicular. When they are perpendicular, at that time angle, that is theta, perpendicular means it is 90 degree. Angle between vector A and vector B is 90 degree, means both vectors are like this. If you say this is vector A, this is vector B, then angle between them is 90 degree. If angle is 90, then we have to put this cos theta value as 90. Therefore, dot product of A and B is magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos 90. Cos 90 how much? Cos 90 value, it is 0. Then entire process, whatever here entire value, this will be 0. Then A dot B is equal to 0. So, everything is 0. What we have to calculate here? They are asking what is the value of y. So, where is y? Observe this. This is a vector I, j, k. Here this is one more vector I, here it is y. This y value we have to find out, and this is 3k. So, I will rewrite here, vector A is equal to I plus j plus 2k and B is equal to 2I plus yj plus 3k, and by using this one we can calculate this y value. What we can calculate? A dot B. We will do our normal process. A dot B. A dot B is what? Same unit vectors and their magnitudes. I dot I is 1, 2 into 1 is 2 plus j dot j is 1, y into 1 is y plus 3 into 2, it is 6. Then a dot b is 6 plus 2, that is 8 plus y. Therefore, here a dot b, we know that a dot b is 0. Therefore, here we can write 0. 8 plus y is 0, then y is equal to 8 will come this side, then it will be minus 8. Therefore, y, here y is equal to minus 8. This is the answer. How to calculate y value? By using these two formulae. So, when we say dot product, we have to remember these two things. Therefore, here this modification, we can do that modification. Vector a dot b is equal to mod a mod b cos theta, or simply cos theta is equal to vector a dot b divided by mod a into mod b. So, this is a modification of this our regular formula. Okay. So, we will see one more. See, this is another type of problem where they are asking you have to find out angle between a and b. They are giving you vector a and vector b, then what is the angle between vector a and vector b? So, we have to calculate angle between vector a and vector b. So, for doing this, we know our regular method, that is vector a is equal to I cap plus 3j cap minus k cap, and b is equal to I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, and whatever formula we know, we will write it down. That is a dot b is equal to magnitude of a magnitude of b into cos theta. This is the formula. Now, we have to use this formula and we have to find this cos theta value. We know how to find this a dot b. In previous problem, I told you a dot b, we can get it with the help of this formula a1 plus a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. So, this will get, and mod a mod b, we have to find out magnitude of vector a and magnitude of vector b and remaining cos theta. So, we will see how to find magnitude of any vector. If this is one vector, we want to find its magnitude. So, to find the magnitude, formula is there, under root square of magnitudes of these unit vectors. Whatever number is there behind this I, behind this j, behind this k, we have to make its square. So, here I, nothing is there, means it is 1. So, write here 1, make its square, plus here it is 3, make its square 9. Here it is minus 1, make its square. So, this entire thing is magnitude of a. Under root 1 square is 1 plus 9, minus 1 square is also plus 1. Therefore, here we are getting root 11. Root 11 is a magnitude of vector a. Similarly, magnitude of vector b is I j k under root. Here multiplication of I is 1, 1 square is 1 plus j, its magnitude is 1, 1 square is again 1 plus here it is minus 2, make its square, minus 2 square, it will be like 1 plus 1 square, that is plus 4. Here we are getting total, it is root 6. So, magnitude of a is root 11, magnitude of b is root 6. Then here we will do our normal calculation, that is vector a dot b. Then a dot b is product of magnitudes. I into I is unit vector 1, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 3 into 1 is 3 plus minus 1 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 into 1 is 2. Therefore, here we are getting 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. A dot b is 6, magnitude of a and magnitude of B. Now we will substitute in this formula, that is magnitude of A, magnitude of B into cos theta. Now our aim is to find this theta value, because they are asking in the question angle between A and B. So angle between A and B is means cos theta value we have to find. A dot B is 6, mod A value is root 11, mod B value is root 6. Okay. Now it is cos theta. If you take this here, it will be 6 divided by root 11 into root 6 is equal to cos theta. Now this 6 we can write it as, see here, 6 we can write it as root 6 into root 6. Root 6 into root 6, what happens? Root 6 square, this root and this square cancel, again 6 remains. So 6 we can write it as root 6 into root 6 divided by root 11 into root 6. This is equal to cos theta. Then this root 6 will cancel. What is remaining? Only root 6 by root 11. If you take it in single root, we can write in single root 6 by 11 is equal to cos theta. Root 6 by 11 is equal to cos theta. This 6 is nothing but root 6 into root 6. So instead of this 6, I have written root 6 into root 6. Out of that, 1 root 6 and this one will cancel, remaining only is root 6 by 11. Nearly we can write root 6 by 11 is nearly equal to root 6 by 12. So therefore we can write cos theta is equal to root 6 by 12, that is nothing but 6 1 the 6 2 the under root 1 by 2, or nothing but 1 by root 2, because root of this one is 1 only, this 1 by root 2 is cos theta. Now from the table sin theta, cos theta, sin 30, sin 60, sin 90, from that table we know that the value of this cos theta, that is cos 60 value is cos 45 value is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Therefore this theta is equal to 45 degree. 1 by root 2, when it will be 1 by root 2? When cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore theta is equal to 45 degree. Okay. So this is how we have to find the angle between given two vectors. Okay, fine. In some problems we will see in another video.